Mastering effective sprint planning meetings. In this video, you will learn how to conduct efficient sprint planning meetings to maximize team productivity and deliver high-quality work on time. Welcome to our course on mastering effective sprint planning meetings. If you're part of an Agile team, you know that sprint planning is a cornerstone of successful project execution. These meetings are designed to set the stage for a productive sprint by defining what can be delivered and how that work will be achieved. Today, we'll delve into the nuts and bolts of conducting these meetings efficiently, ensuring your team is aligned, work is prioritized, and productivity is maximized. So, let's jump right in and explore how to make the most of your sprint planning sessions. The foundation of any successful sprint planning meeting is setting clear objectives. This involves defining what the team aims to achieve by the end of the sprint. The objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Start by reviewing the project roadmap and backlog to identify priorities. Then, discuss with the team to ensure everyone understands and agrees with the goals. Document these objectives to serve as a reference throughout the sprint. Clear objectives not only align the team but also provide a benchmark to measure success and guide decision-making. By setting the right goals, you empower your team to stay focused and deliver high-quality work.
Once your objectives are clear, the next step is determining the sprint backlog. Begin by reviewing the product backlog to identify user stories that align with your sprint goals. Prioritize these stories based on urgency, importance, and dependencies. Engage the team in estimating the effort required for each item. These could be done using story points or other estimation techniques. It's critical to ensure that the selected backlog is feasible within the sprint timeframe and that the team is comfortable with the workload. A well-defined sprint backlog acts as a roadmap for the team, providing clarity on what needs to be accomplished.
An effective sprint planning meeting requires the involvement of the right team members. This typically includes the product owner, the scrum master, and the development team. However, don't overlook the value of inviting other stakeholders such as UX designers, testers, or business analysts who can provide additional insights. Cross-functional participation ensures diverse perspectives are considered, leading to more robust planning. Make sure each participant understands their role and responsibilities during the sprint. This alignment fosters collaboration, helps address potential challenges early on, and ensures that everyone is working towards a common goal.
Time management is crucial in sprint planning meetings. Start by creating a structured agenda that outlines each discussion topic. Allocate specific time slots for each item. These helps keep the meeting focused and prevents it from running over. Prioritize critical topics at the beginning when energy levels are high. It's also wise to include buffer time for unexpected discussions or clarifications. Effective time management ensures that all necessary topics are covered, decisions are made efficiently, and the meeting concludes on schedule. This approach not only respects participants' time but also enhances the overall productivity of the planning session.
Prioritization is a key element of sprint planning, and using the right tools and techniques can greatly enhance this process. Consider utilizing prioritization frameworks like Moscow, must have, should have, could have, would like, or the Eisenhower matrix to help the team make informed decisions. Agile tools such as Jira or Trello can aid in visualizing the backlog and tracking progress. These tools facilitate data-driven decision-making, ensuring transparency and fostering collaboration among team members. By effectively prioritizing work, you ensure that the team focuses on delivering the most valuable outcomes within the sprint. Facilitating collaboration and achieving consensus among team members is vital for successful sprint planning. Encourage open communication and create an inclusive environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts. Use active listening techniques and ensure all voices are heard. When disagreements arise, address them constructively and guide the team towards a consensus. It's important to resolve conflicts swiftly to maintain momentum. The Scrum Master plays a key role in fostering this collaborative atmosphere. By building consensus, you enhance team cohesion and ensure everyone is committed to the sprint plan.
Every sprint comes with its own set of risks and dependencies, and addressing these proactively during sprint planning is crucial. Start by identifying potential risks that could impact the sprint, but resource availability, technical challenges, or external dependencies. Assess these risks and prioritize them based on their likelihood and potential impact. Develop mitigation strategies to address each risk, ensuring the team is prepared to handle unforeseen challenges. Transparency about risks fosters trust and ensures everyone is aware of potential hurdles. Additionally, plan for contingencies to maintain momentum in case issues arise. By proactively managing risks, you increase the likelihood of a successful sprint. Sprint planning doesn't end once the meeting concludes. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the plan is essential to ensure alignment with evolving project needs. Schedule periodic check-ins to assess progress and identify areas for improvement. Encourage team members to share feedback on the plan's effectiveness and any challenges encountered. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments, ensuring the plan remains relevant and achievable. This iterative approach enhances the team's adaptability and responsiveness to change. By continuously refining the sprint plan, you ensure that the team is always moving in the right direction and maximizing productivity. Congratulations on reaching the end of our course on mastering effective sprint planning meetings. We've covered the critical steps to ensure your sprint planning sessions are productive and aligned with your team's goals. From setting clear objectives and prioritizing work to facilitating collaboration and managing risks, each step plays a vital role in the success of your sprint. Remember, effective sprint planning is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement and adaptation. Implement these strategies in your next sprint planning meeting and watch your team's productivity soar. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck in your Agile journey.